Another day. Hello? Hello? Stop. Who are you? You look like Foxy that's golden. That's how doors work. You. Okay, good thing. Oh God, good thing you know to open doors. You mean? How do you run so fast? Wait, oh God, what is that? Oh my God, I saw something. Oh God, oh God, don't. I don't think we should. Oh God, I saw something I should have seen. Is this a bridge? Stop. You're breaking the laws of physics.
I have found the abyss. I have found the abyss. Look up.
Oh God. Hold up. Let me take your powers away. Hold up. Cody. Ow. Boom. I have become. Can you still jump? Hold up. Can you still jump? How can you place a door? Oh my God. Knock, knock. Hold up, let me break it. Hold up, let me break it.
Don't break it.
Are you doing like a transition or something? I can see you. Oh God. Hello, Foxy? Golden Foxy? I don't mind the voice change. Good, watch it. Hold on. Let me jump. Oh God, I didn't mean to. Oh. What? Who are you? Hold on, let me get my battle axe. Hold up. I got me an axe. Oh, what happened to you? No. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna smack you with my axe. What do you with the door in your pocket? Come back here. Stop saying that word. Just speak actual words. Die. What will you? How come you won't die? Why won't you die? How can you run fast? Just die. Are you a Springlock model? Like something plustrap model? How can he go in the rain?
I don't know.
This is water. Just let me this. Accept your demise. Accept your demise.
No. Wait. Where am I?
I don't. What are you? Hold up. Okay, you're back. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me do something magical. Hold up. Boom. I did it. Hold up. Slash. Hold up. No, I did it. Oh. Oh god, I did not mean to do that. Hold up. Okay. No, hold on, let me kill you now. Hold up. Wow, no! You broke the fourth hole now. We can't go in that room now. That room's banned here. Or you broke the wall. Hold up. No, you deserve to die. And you die. Oh god! Oh god! We're not supposed to see this. Oh god! Oh god! You broke the laws of physics. Oh god! I'm going to eat all your inventory stuff out. Hold up. What? No doors allowed in here. Only the doors that are pre-built here. Hold up. Nope. Don't. Hold up, let me slash clear all your stuff. Hold up. Let me take everything from your pockets. Hold up. Give me that! If you kill me, then you'll regret it. Where are you? Hold up. Where are you? Where are you? Where? Hold on, let me use my magical powers. What is wrong with Funtime Foxy's back? Okay, I'm gonna go back where I came from. Okay. I'm just gonna go sleep now. And 3, 2, 1.